Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to fix the term Ubuntu is not recognized as the name of these things or operatable program. So when you try to run Ubuntu command in Windows PowerShell, you could encounter this error. So the reason for this error is in your Windows apps folder, the Ubuntu executable program exists in the different name. So let me show that. So in here, if you go to user profile, app data, local, Microsoft Windows app folder, you will see the Windows Ubuntu app exists as a different name. So let me walk you through that. So first go to drive C where you install the Windows and go to users and go to your user and go to app data. If you don't see app data, make sure to go to the view in file explorer and check the hidden items. And if you go to app data and go to local and go to Microsoft and go to Windows apps. So in here you can see my Ubuntu. So in here you see my Ubuntu app exists as Ubuntu 2204. So that's why I'm getting this error when I'm trying to run Ubuntu command here. So for that, as a solution, what you can do is run this command using the app name you see in here. So for example, you have to run it as Ubuntu 2204 config or the other command you want to run. So for example, let me run this command in PowerShell. This time I'm trying it this app name exists in the Windows app folder. So as you can see, it worked without any issue. So if you find this helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. I will try to help you. So see you in the next video.